Let's make a rhinestone face mask. The first thing we need to do is actually cut our template out on our Magic Flock material. I'm actually using a Cricut Explorer Air 2. Once it's done cutting, you just take the material off the mat and you'll have the remaining dots on the mat and you can just scrape those off. Preheat your heat press to 320 degrees Fahrenheit and take your Magic Flock material. Place it down on a very flat and smooth surface. I prefer to use my stainless steel tabletop. For this project, I decided to use the Rhinestone World Strawberry Diamond Cut Rhinestones. These are absolutely beautiful. I'm taking the bag of rhinestones and pouring a generous amount on top of my template. Taking my rhinestone brush, which is also available from the Rhinestone World, and I am making big circles as I'm brushing the rhinestones into the template. With the way the template is cut, the rhinestones should go in smoothly without a problem, and that's why you go in circles. Only the bottoms of the rhinestones will go into the template holes, and any of the ones that are upside down will just brush away. Doing one more final swoop over the template, and this is what it should look like. Now, if you do have a couple that are upside down, it's fine. Just take a pair of tweezers and adjust those, but be very careful not to move any of the other ones around. After your rhinestones are where you want them, we're going to take our app tape and press it down smoothly and gently. And press each rhinestone down to make sure that all of them are attached to the app tape. As you see, when you pull it back, all of the rhinestones should come up and attach itself to the tape. Pull up slowly, and if you notice any rhinestones aren't coming up, just push the tape back down and the rhinestone will attach itself. Here, I'm taking the app tape that has our rhinestones on it and placing it back on the paper that it came from. Then I flip it over and gently remove my Magic Flock material and place it on the back. One of my favorite things about this material is the fact that once you cut the template, you can reuse that template as many times as you want. Now, before you press your face mask, you want to smooth it out the best you can. Taking my heat press, I am doing a pre-press to basically warm up the mask before I apply my design. Gently, I am removing the app tape with my rhinestones from the backing material. Don't shift it around too much or the rhinestones may move around or fall off, and that's just a bitch to fix. Now you can decide where you want to place your design. As long as you're very careful, you can move it around as much as you need to adjust it to make sure it's the way you want it. Here, I'm taking some parchment paper to cover my design. You could use your Teflon sheets, but I don't have any. This time we're doing a full press for about 20 seconds on the front side. I like to take a towel or a rag to wipe down the surface of the app tape to help cool it down and make it easier to pull off. It's always such an amazing feeling when you pull that app tape off and can really see that design. Then we can put the app tape back and use it again later. Then I'm going to flip the mask and do another 15 seconds press on the other side. I like to call this an insurance press because I am ensuring that those rhinestones do not fall off of my project. And there you have it, a full face diamond cut rhinestone face mask. Comment with any questions. If you like watching tutorials like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Facebook, where I'll be doing live tutorials every Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.